Right there, right there.
This thing's a pile.
That was such an epic fail.
We gotta throw it higher. 1, 2, 3. The fire through. My mother will fire through. I like to fire through. You see, slow as
You really did all that to pick up that little piece of metal? There's literally a whole car and truck right there.
straight up desk chair.
Was that a Vespa?
Aren't those like the drift tax ones?
Yeah.
Long green.
Yes.
Gotta find a Vespa now then.
Have fun with all this. Uh-oh. Looks like a no-go.
I paid my taxes 15 days ago. These fucking don't clear it. I literally walked outside to call the fuck. Like, this is not my fault at all. Literally, the tax office me. You can't go back in because you walked out? Yep.
Are you serious?
Yep.
Wow.
Literally walked outside for 5 minutes and these won't let me just walk inside.
They give you the lowest. Low. Imagine if we had a store and people walked up and that Lowe's sign said Ganj.
Yeah, that'd be sick. They're blocking all the sandpaper, dude. Look, they got 2,000 right there.
I need what, a 6, an 8?
6, 8, 2,000.
6, 8, 15. You're not doing 2?
You ain't doing 2?
No, why
You're
would
not
I
trying
do-
to rub computer paper on your wheels. How smooth is 2, dude? Ruin the sandpaper for the next guy, dude. Rubbing our fingers on it.
6, 8, 15. Got the sandpaper from the Lowe's. 6, 15, 18, and 22. 22.
Using a tape measure to open the box. Good thinking.
Yeah, no, stop. Use this to open the box.
It's too late, dude.
Okay.
What in the flying?
It's like Amazon gift wrap. Like when
Is
you
it a curtain for the RV?
when you click like, oh, like you want it to be wrapped.
What
on
is it?
Amazon.
Like a bottle of dude?
Keep your gift a surprise.
Carlos is
Unrip your
thirsty.
present before opening this envelope.
Dude, I don't know.
Someone sent sand.
I don't know what that is.
Sick. I always wanted sand.
Orion from you.
Oh, great. Thanks, bud. I'm not even like the guy on here anymore, dude. Like, why?
I feel bad for whoever had to wrap this. Someone put time and effort into wrapping this if it's just a straight.
I'm gonna use that. That stuff is delicious, dude.
Minced onion, dude.
You make, like, sprinkle that in your eggs, and dude? Thanks, bud.
And they're like somewhere, dude.
I put that in my salad right now, dude. Open the fridge, dude. Get my salad going.
There you go, buddy.
Thanks, whoever sent that. Thanks, whoever sent this. This is how I will be using it.
Are you just straight filming eating it straight? Oh,
No, I'm actually using it. Like, they thought they were pranking me or something, but, like, I actually like it.
I mean, it looks better than it did, no?
Mm-hmm. I think you could get the mirror finish on that, dude, if you take, like, another 4 hours per wheel.
Yeah, I don't feel like it, though.
You gotta get the 2,000 on there, dude.
I, like, barely even hit these with the sandpaper.
Let's see, can you tell which one is the clean one?
Yeah, dude.
It's pretty obvious that that one is the one.
Yeah, show him his hand, dude.
That's how they started. This is what AJ's magic touch, dude.
Two-piece, baby. I'll fix this wheel real quick, Aaron.
Oh. Did it work?
It looks a lot better than it did.
You gotta hit it like.
Yeah, it's pretty straight.
You gotta hit it like downwards too.
That's a lot better than it was.
Yeah, I mean, if you look at it from the right angle, it only looks a little bit bent. From this angle, it looks flat, dude.
That's spot on right there, dude. Check her out now. You know what I mean? I think I went a little too hard. Practically bald. 2:30 seconds ain't good, dude. Does it look like I get bald?
Give me that. That's cap.
I can see how bald they are from here, dude.
Ryan a friggin' shred depth measurer specifically
worked.
to rag on Nate.
Oh,
Nate, swap my engine in the Subaru, dude.
You paying?
Yeah, I'll sell the car when I'm done. Or when you're done.
$1,500?
Give me 10% of whatever I sell it for.
That ain't a lot, dude. 10%? If he sells it for $4,500, dude.
You think
I'm
I'm
getting
selling
$40?
You think I'm selling a running WRX?
Did you just say
at 45?
10%?
oh my god, you're
$4,500? Just like the moon and the sun are the same size?
Hey, I'll sell the thing for 12 grand running.
I
I'll
want
give you
50%,
$1,200.
dude.
Eat it, dude. What the f? I'll sell
30%.
it right now. Come on, dude. Put that snap-on box to f***ing use. Get her going. Pull the engine, dude. You got it for rice purposes. You'll get some footage of you actually using a snap-on box. You can put it as your Facebook profile picture and tell everyone you swapped a Subaru.
No,
And you get to talk about Subarus because they're ganj.
no,
Lazy.
no.
Guy acts like he has a real job or something. Sentences, quick. We'll give you another shot at that. I know you meant to, like.
I had nothing to actually say.
Oh, all right. Man, that's rough.
As you can guys see here, AJ is attempting to get a sticker off the lip, and yeah, he's not too thrilled. I don't think. Just an observation. He seems tense. It looks like a lot of hard work going into this. He did 3 other ones, and
Third one I did is ganged.
what am I smelling? I smell something burning. Maybe I'm having a. So it's good to see everybody getting some practice on the wheel in there. Pretty much everybody's been using it lately, which is dope to see. Everyone's getting a little bit better. That's cool. I know Nate, have you been recording Nate's progress on there a little bit or not really?
Not really.
Yeah.
He like usually only plays after midnight,
Yeah.
like when everybody leaves.
Yeah.
Alright, so the first step, a lot of people do this differently. I just am super lazy and don't want to sand this for 4 hours. I got a 600. Just like wave your hand.
Do jumping jacks.
It's like pointed at you.
1 second.
Oh, there it is. You have to go back there. You had it. You had it. Yeah, that's why when you guys were standing behind the bed, it stayed on that entire time.
So
No, go for it.
I'm doing 600 and then 1500. The other 2 came out good. The third one, I don't know what the f happened to that one. Maybe I gotta just set it back up and just do the 600 and then the 1500. But
You think you sanded it too much?
I think I didn't sand it enough with the 600, but I don't know. Did you just fart?
No, I hit my pants. Mine sounded like a fart.
Kyle, why don't you go ahead and spray that with some water?
Sure. Got a little wet sand going, you know?
All the crevice,
I don't want to do that much pressure, you know what I mean?
you know? No, you got to.
Oh, yeah. Get the crevice.
Now there's a lot of dirt. Oh, that should be good.
Alright. I didn't want to get you wet, you know?
That guy's AJ soaked. This is it, boys.
He's actually cleaning the wheels by sanding them. I kind of did the same thing with my CR Kais, but you know, it worked pretty good. It's a little different though.
It doesn't work that good, dude.
Yeah.
No, this is how you do it, dude.
Oh, okay.
When they're like pitted in before. I did it on my E30 wheels. My E30 wheels, I like it so bad that it literally looked like someone spray painted them black. Like
I remember
brake
they were
dust
super gross.
The yeah. The rears were fine, but the fronts were like literally black.
AJ's down bad, you know. Donate $1 to the live stream. Help this guy out. He's down bad. He's cleaning these wheels that he doesn't want. He didn't even want them. He wants to sell them, and he's putting in all this work. Now this is a lot of effort coming out of this guy right here, as you guys know and have probably seen. So stay tuned for a half polish and an undercut from the buyer to AJ. It's inbound. All right, folks.
Kyle, get the hose, buddy. Hand me the hose. I don't feel like getting up.
All right. You know, I could spray it for you. Okay, go for it. You ready for this ASMR / satisfaction? Feet are soaked, dude.
It looks the same.
You're wearing socks. There's nothing worse than wet socks. You just dumped it
AJ,
on your feet.
It looks the same.
Unreal.
Shut up. This
Get
is
in there.
This is no good, dude.
These parts are the
This is what it's supposed to look. What?
these parts.
I'm not gonna do that.
Dude, why don't you put it down a little bit away from your feet? Like you're gonna get frostbite.
AJ, I got extra socks in the back of the truck, dude.
I have socks at my house.
What do you want to do? I got no
Dude,
no
you're
slack.
hitting my feet, dude.
What do you, dude? How do you want me to do this?
Wet
Put it down.
Wet it.
Oh my goodness, dude. Dude, I'm so sorry. Is that good enough for you? I feel so bad. I asked him 3 times to move it. Dude, I'm feeling for AJ right now. Wet socks suck. Leave a comment down below if you think wet socks suck, dude. They're gonna be like, Kyle laughs at his the only one who laughs at his own joke. I find myself to be pretty funny, okay? You know, I'm gonna regret saying all this shit.
Yeah, this one's gonna be bad.
How can you tell?
It's like dull. The other
You
one,
think his buffing wheel or whatever is gonna bring it back?
No, I don't. I think I need to buy a new one.
Oh no.
Yeah. It's supposed to be red.
What?
Yeah. That's a red. Because it should look dull like that, no? And then once you polish it...
Yeah, you're
it's
supposed to hit it with that thing to make it like that mirror look. He's saying it's coming out like that other one that you looked at. The one where right before he asked you to use your buffing wheel thing.
It's coming out like.
Yeah.
He said it's
They're
super dull.
I mean, they could have cleared them.
They're like fake chrome, dude. These are aluminum, dude. These things are light,
They're
dude.
not.
These are...
They're
This
absolutely
is for
not.
race car.
There's no way.
This is made out of tinfoil, dude.
I don't think they make an aluminum 3-piece wheel. The whole point of buying 3-piece wheels is so they bend and don't crack, which is still gange because you got to replace the lip. But it's, oh, you can replace the lip, you know what I mean? But like, if I crack
The
my
barrels
force,
are aluminum.
gange.
If the barrel's aluminum and the lip is steel, how are they welded together?
They're both aluminum.
No shot.
You,
Dude,
you have to stand by your Cabela sticker and do jumping jacks. I'm not even kidding.
Because you said that, I'm not getting it.
Oh, there it is. That's the range is like from here to there.
I'm telling you, dude. They're aluminum.
No shot, dude.
Dude, they're TIG welded.
Yeah, you can TIG weld. There's such thing as DC TIG welding.
Dude, when I cracked the barrel on my CCWs, I had to get them TIGged because they were aluminum, dude. You getting a magnet?
They're aluminum. I told you, dude. This whole time I've been telling them they're aluminum. So those aren't even real 3-piece wheels then.
Dude, what are you on about?
All of your wheels are steel.
No, my lip.
are aluminum.
The Ratzinger lips are definitely aluminum, dude.
The Ratzingers?
I'm not sure if all of them
Are
are.
you sure about
They
that?
all
No,
are.
I know for a fact the barrel of the KF is steel. Try the inside of the KF. Stick that magnet up like into the brakes. The one is in the trunk of my car.
This barrel is aluminum. Oh no, it's not.
Definitely sticking. Or is there a wheel weight there? Try the back of the face.
How weird is that, dude?
Maybe your magnet is bad.
I don't know, dude.
No, dude, the magnet's good. Try the magnet on the rack.
Yep.
Maybe it's just like a
That's a good magnet. Is it some kind of alloy?
I don't know. They're aluminum, baby. Nah, this one wants.
Try the barrel of the KF. I'm only saying that because
KF?
there's corrosion.
Put it
Just
in
stick it. Yeah, just try to stick it up into where the brakes are. Is it sticking at all?
No.
I stand corrected, dude.
Not on the barrels.
I could have sworn the barrels of these were steel. That's all
These are
aluminum.
steel.
Oh, the lip is steel?
Yeah, the lip is steel. It's weird that feel it. Like, it's not strong, but you can tell that there's look.
It's got to be some kind of alloy, dude, and we all sound.
Yeah, dude. I thought that they were all.
I hope you know that on the internet we officially all sound like as dumb as you could get.
No, I think they're steel. It's just like a weird alloy. Steel, like some weird. It's like not fully like it's not like this. You know what I mean? Like the magnet does not do that, but it pulls to it. Yeah, same with this one.
It like kind of sticks.
It pulls a little bit, but like not like that.
I didn't really have a dog in this fight, so to speak. I just thought my KF barrels were steel because they have like brown corrosion on them, not like normal aluminum corrosion. I don't know. I just feel like we're gonna get roasted because like one Google search would have solved this before we started.
So in a month, someone will tell us they are
yeah.
or whatever. Or someone that will.
You guys
someone
are
will
so
call
stupid.
us, but
Yeah.
they'll be the ones like looking up what it is, so they can call us.
Yeah.
They'll be like, "Oh, you thought they were steel. They're actually." See, I thought that was aluminum. I didn't think that was gonna stick. No shot, dude. This feels like aluminum.
Everything we thought we knew, dude. Cap. Just like
Anyone want to buy a Civic hood? Never dull, baby. Or maybe he said
that stuff take it right off?
go until it turns blue.
Yeah, it usually does. Like this polished stuff, like.
It's getting bigger. Look, see underneath it, it's shiny. You have to sand it more. There's clear on these. You
Sanded the out of it.
then why did this buffing wheel just cut through that? Because it burned the paint. Oi. Get her going, dude.
With what?
I told you there's clear on this.
What do I gotta do?
Remember that long string of numbers I said when we were outside?
Dude, that's not happening, dude.
I told them 600 by increments of 2 to 3,000 and then buff.
No shot in doing that.
yeah.
Well, you can see right there, clear as day, that is what the wheel looks like underneath the paint that's on them. That's
So-
what they're supposed to look like.
Are those
So
good?
the ones that are ganj over there have clear on them still.
I'm gonna see if I can get the doors, all 4 doors in the bed for like a package deal, like 2K or something.
Nate, you were looking up how to build it too. Oh Christ.
No, he's trying to get doors in a bed and stuff.
Oh, I thought you were like trying to buy that Cummins.
My phone, I texted the guy, he wants $1,600 for the bed and it's clean, and it's Linexed.
Those are the
So
Mork
all I would
Weissers,
have to
dude?
do is rubber line the bottom.
He's got the Mork Weissers.
Oh dude, look at this, watch, look up.
What, you gonna show me a prelude?
No.
Thank you guys for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to check out the playlist in the description along with the P.O. Box, our Facebook, BS Gaming. We got some live streams and gaming content, some wheel sim. Follow Bad Species on Instagram. Is that everything?
Mm-hmm.
I'm
like a
back.
mentor coach. He's
Yeah.
like, did I do it?
I got fired while I was put on leave for a few days, and I'm back. I'm improved. I've learned a lot in my journey, and I'm back to make an impression again.
I fire him anyways.
I literally beg him to come back because
Yeah,
I
gets on
have
his
no
knees
friends, and it's sad. Love you, man.
See you guys.
All right, cut.